Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Elden Ring more than 60 FPS, only way. Start by closing background apps and setting Windows power to high performance, then pick a GPU driver performance profile. Lower render scale if needed, enable driver frame generation or DLSS where available, and cap FPS to a stable target like 120. Test in open areas and boss fights. To confirm consistent gains, I will show the key GPU and driver tweaks that unlock higher frame rates in Elden Ring while keeping gameplay smooth. Use your GPU control panel to select a performance-oriented profile, increase power and thermal limits responsibly, and enable frame generation or upscaling like DLSS or FSR when available. Those features trade GPU cost for rendered clarity and can push you well beyond 60 FPS without sacrificing visual fidelity or causing. I will show practical in-game and system tips to sustain more than 60 FPS in Elden Ring while keeping it playable and pretty. Start by lowering render scale and shadow details, keep textures if RAM allows, and cap FPS just above your monitor refresh. Disable unnecessary overlays, close chat or recording software, and check for background updates. These small changes compound into noticeably smoother combat, traversal, and camera movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.